up guys, my name is Taylor Cheyenne. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. For today's video, I decided I wanted to show you guys my curly hair routine. It has taken me a minute to really be able to deal with my curly hair, but if you are interested in seeing how I get my curls to look like this, then keep watching. So I first separate all my hair into two sections and spray in my It's a 10 leave-in spray, followed by my Shea Moisture leave-in treatment. I will work that into the ends specifically because that's where I get most of my dryness at, and so I make sure to focus on that. I then will detangle my ends, and then I usually will separate my hair into two sections here to begin fully detangling. Once that is completed, then I'll go in with my Shea Moisture Curl Style Milk and mix that with my All About Curls gel, and it just gives it a smoother consistency, and I'll work that in, and then I will use the wide tooth comb to distribute it evenly, and then follow that with the regular wet brush just to clump my curls together and give it a better curl pattern. And then I will just do that for the rest of my hair, and I will just keep doing the same order as you'll see here. So as you can see, I'm finishing up my hair on the other side, and I did use my water bottle for this one because it was starting to get a little dry and you want to do your hair when it is pretty damp. And so I finished that, and then to finish off the look, I used my Twisted Sister Curl Cream on both sides. So now I am going in with my Bedhead Curl and Check Hair Diffuser Dryer, and I'm using it on the coolest temperature at the highest setting, and I just go through and I focus it on mostly the ends, but I do go into my roots just to give it a little bit of volume, and I just flip my hair back and forth over and just go crazy with it so that I can get it to about 80% dry, and then I do let it air dry the rest of the way. With this clip, I do put it right at my part just to give it a little bit more volume, because I have found that my hair tends to be super flat right there, and so blow drying it, especially with the clip right there, just gives it a little bit of volume that I really enjoy. Alright guys, so this is my hair fully dry. It just will get bigger throughout the day. I did end up like flipping it a little bit and just messing with it, putting it to the side. Throughout the day I will just mess with it a little bit and just like continue. Like you can see, this is like a bigger curl, so I will usually just undo it, make it smaller, which is why my hair will get bigger throughout the day, but there's very minimal frizz. I usually will get, I feel like right here is usually where I get the most. Right now it's not terrible, but yeah, like, so you can tell that this one is kind of a big curl, so yeah, so I just go through and split those up throughout the day. But yeah, this is the final look, and I love it, and I love it's not crunchy, it's not hard at all, and so that's super nice. But yeah, I hope that you guys enjoy this video. It's taken me a long time to really get a product that works and that doesn't make my curls crunchy and weird, so I think that's it for this video. If you guys enjoyed it, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and make sure to follow all my social media accounts that I'll have linked down below. And also I will link my podcast and my Etsy shop so you guys can check out new t-shirt designs that I am making. And until next time.